Now, sometimes, it's not very often in chemistry, we come up with what's called a mixed calculation. So this has both addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division in the same problem. For example, let's say we need to take 8.97 divided by 1.008 and take that answer and then subtract 0.875. So here's the mix part. We have the division, which has different rules than the subtraction in terms of sig figs. The key is leave all of your digits in the calculator. Do not round until you get to the very end. And this is a concept that's missed quite a bit. So we're going to break this two steps problem into the division part first. So if we were only doing the division, 8.97 divided by 1.008, if we were just doing that and we get our calculator answer of 8.8988095, if that were the only calculation we were doing, we would count the top. The numerator has 3 sig figs, and the denominator, 1.008, has 4 sig figs. There's lines coming out of nowhere. Let's see. Try that again. So we have 3 sig figs in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. So our answer should be rounded to 3 sig figs. That would be the 8, and then the 9. So I'm not going to round anything because I can't round until the very end. In other words, I should only round this once. But I'm going to underline that 9 as being the last sig fig. Now I'm going to do the subtraction part. So my answer from the first calculation, 8.8988095, and I underline that 9 because that's the last sig fig to the right, even though it looks like the 5 should be. And then I'm going to line it up vertically and subtract 0.875 and underline that sig fig, the last one to the right. So now calculator answer 8.0238095. Still following the same rules. Whichever underlined sig fig is farther to the left, that's the one where we're going to round this. So this is rounded to 8.02. You have to be very careful with these mixed calculations. You cannot count sig figs only. You can't do just the subtraction part only. You have to do them step by step.